of gravity coordinate are minus a2 by 2 0 0 and 1 for complete representation of homogeneous coordinates. Okay, these are called the homogeneous coordinates. Okay, so homogeneous coordinate is actually added extra element 1 because T20 is 4 by 4 matrix. So to be compatible this with this multiplication, this additional term is added here. So you see here that the coordinate of the center of mass of link 2 with respect to base frame is, स्क्रीन दिख रही है आप लोगों को?
यस सर.
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन है? Is the recording or on or not?
Yes, sir.
So now you here calculate D2. You start calculating D2 manually. How it is coming this equation? I think you had calculated in previous lecture D2. Okay. So after calculating the center of mass of link 2 with respect to base frame, you had calculated the D2 using this equation. Okay. So for calculation of D2 bar, what is the equation? Here D1 bar you have taken m1 a1 square by 1 2 12 and diagonal 0 1 1. In the same manner, when you calculate D2 bar, you will take m1 m2 a2 square by 12 and diagonal of 0 1 1 in the same manner you see here. This is the 659. This is the equation for D2. So now you calculate D2. This is D2 bar. This is with respect to the L2 coordinate frame, and now you have to calculate the D2 with respect to base frame. So how you will proceed? You will use this equation R20 D2 bar R20 transpose. So you will find this equation. Okay. I think this is twice. So in the next section you calculate. आपको एग्जाम में दिया जाएगा फिर पूरा करना है ये. I am repeating it many times because it is important. So you see here you are next calculating the Jacobian 2. For the Jacobian 2, what you are doing here, C2 bar you have used, and you are differentiating the C2 bar with respect to Q1 and Q2, and also you have this Xi1, Xi2 and these terms. Here you see that first and second row is also non-zero, because here we are only we are using the two joints. So for first and second joint both elements will not be zero. While we were considering the Jacobian 1, we were taking this element as 0. Okay. Here for Jacobian 2, both the elements will have the these values R1 R00 I3 and J1 R00 I3 and J2 R10 I3. ओके, क्लियर है? Now from here you see that A2 cube is differentiation of center of gravity with respect to base frame. This has three terms, and the differentiation of center of gravity with respect to Q1 and Q2 will give the three elements in column. Here three elements in column. Okay, and this will have the three elements in column, and this will also have the three elements in column. So total this Jacobian 2 is having the three elements, 6 elements in column and 2 columns. Okay, 2 columns because 2 axis planar robot. This robot is 2 axis planar robot. Okay, so what is the next step? In the next step, you are doing this. Total inertia of up to link 2. Total inertia up to link 2 is given by the inertia due to link 1 and inertia due to link 2. Okay, so here you see that previously you had calculated the d1 cube by a1 transpose m1 a1 plus b1 transpose d1 b1. Okay, this is the dq for previous link. Okay, this is d1 tensile inertia of link 1 center of gravity with respect to base frame. Okay, so here again for link 2 the dq is a2 transpose m2 a2 and b2 transpose d2 and b2. Here you have calculated the d2, and from the Jacobian you have a2 and b2. Now it's your work to calculate how this equation has come. I expect all the students to do this. Okay, ये इक्वेशन कैसे आया है? This matrix you calculate it. I need all the steps to be shown. Students, please respond. Later you will say that I don't understand anything, sir. No one student is giving the response. Ashwini,
यस सर कर रहे हैं।
यार कम से कम बोलो तो, तुम लोग बोलते भी नहीं हो।
यस सर कर रहे हैं।
इसमें हम ये स्लाइड दिखा रहे हैं, you have to calculate this. Each steps has to be shown while the work is done by you. And note that what I am showing in the slide I am explaining you will not get in the books. How this equation have directly come in the books, you will see that they have directly put the values, but you will not be able to know how they are deriving this equation. Okay, see here, this is the explanation of what is going on in between, but in the book directly they have put the C1 equal to this equation. Here you see that from here this equation, and by explanation of all this, the book has directly kept this value at the last two equations. Okay, how you will see that how these equations are coming at the last. So it is necessary to uh, keep attention into each steps, and note from the slide while I am demonstrating. This is J2. From here you will need the values and the elements of, this is A11, A12, A21, A22, and A31, A32 for Jacobian 2. That is, you will here keep 2 in upper side, you will keep 2, and here 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, and 2 2. Okay. जब तक आप इसको सॉल्व नहीं करोगे कंप्लीटली, इसकी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, तब तक हम आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. क्यों? Because this is the, I think, last section in this robotics mathematical portion, and now you will deal with the sensors and all. So before closing the this section, I will get you some practice about these problems. स्टूडेंट्स क्या है बन रहा है?
सर वो D2Q से JK तक जैकोबियन वाला मैट्रिक्स तक आने पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर।
है ना, इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि प्रैक्टिस करो। कौन सा बोल रहे हो? ये
वो हाँ DQ है। D2 से DQ लिखिए सर, D2 से। हाँ
यस,
यहाँ के आगे, यस सर।
just note here one equation is repeated, but actually that information has not been kept here. Actually ये सब तो आपको ही एक तरह से निकालना है, बट फॉर एक्सप्लेनेशन हियर d2 bar is m2a2 square by 12 diagonal 0 1 1. Okay, so from here you determine the d2. So you have this d2, and from this Jacobian you have determined the Jacobian using the c, center of mass coordinate with respect to base frame, using the c, and the transformations r0 0 r1 0 and all. So you have a 2 and b2 cube. Okay, so from here you determine the this values. Okay, and a2 b2 you know from this Jacobian, and d2 you know from here. So for determining the previous d1 cube you have determined using the d1 m1 and a1 of Jacobian matrix 1 or b1 of Jacobian matrix 1. Here this is a of Jacobian matrix 2 and this is b of Jacobian matrix 2. Okay, so a2 transpose m2 a2, b2 transpose d2 and b2. This is not the square. Here this is square m1 a1 square. This is not m1 a1 2. ऐसा नहीं है, this is m1 a1 square. So don't confuse. तो अब आ जाएगा, कैन यू डिटरमाइन दिस? सो डू दैट. अभी कौन पूछ रहा था? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई क्या?
अश्वनी सर, यस सर, कर रहे हैं सर।
करो, बिना प्रैक्टिस के नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि इसमें अब कथा सुनोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, इसे प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, मतलब करके देखो। बीच में बुक में तो कितने स्टेप्स गायब किए हुए हैं पता ही नहीं है, वो तुम्हारे ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए छोड़ दिया है बुक ने। जयिता शाह, आर यू डूइंग?
Yes, sir.
मृणाल सिंह रावत,
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
नंदलाल जायसवाल,
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
यस।
D2 बार की वैल्यू जो सर R20 D2 बार इंटू R20 ट्रांसपोज से कैलकुलेट करेंगे D2 ना, तो
यस
D2 बार की वैल्यू क्या होगी?
यार, ये सब तुम निकाल के ही दे रहे हो तो यार फिर तुम करोगे क्या यार तुम लोग?
नो सर, एक फॉर्म सर D1, जैसे D1 बार इक्वल टू M निकाले थे सर, M1 A1 स्क्वायर बाई 12 डायगोनल 0 0 0 1 1, ऐसे सर D2 बार भी होगा ना सर?
Yes, you are looking into screen, if screen is visible.
ओके सर, बस
सिंपली ऐसा है ना कि if it is the link is in the direction of x, then there is no any inertia in the x direction. इनर्शिया किधर होता है? जिधर लंबाई ज्यादा होती है. इसे मतलब इनर्शिया कैसा होगा? इनर्शिया तो हमेशा एक सेंटर के चारों तरफ होगा ना. अगर लेंथ ज्यादा है तो इनर्शिया ज्यादा होगी सेंटर से जितना डिस्टेंस में है ना. तो इफ इट इज इन एक्स डायरेक्शन तो उसका जो पेरीफेरी है एक्स डायरेक्शन से बहुत कम डिस्टेंस पे होगा ना. ओके. suppose you have this your hand, okay, and this is a bucket with water, okay, and you are rotating like this. Then along this axis it will have some inertia, okay. This bucket will have some inertia. Any wheel has some inertia perpendicular to the plane of this wheel, okay. तो जैसे कि ये डिस्टेंस है, okay, this is the distance and this is the center of axis of a wheel. Then this is the inertia. Here there is inertia. So if we have this length of rod, okay, this length of rod, then this is the axis, then it will have the inertia in this direction, and this is also the another axis. Then along this direction, along this axis there will be the inertia, but in this axis there will not be any inertia. If you rotate the link along this axis, and this is the link, this is a rod, then there will be no inertia. Inertia will be in the y direction, inertia will be in the z direction, okay. In the z direction, how it will rotate? In the z direction it will rotate like this, okay, like this in the z direction. In the y direction it will rotate like this. So there will be the inertia. Because of that reason it is saying that in x direction, and because only there are orthogonal movements, only 90-degree movements are there. या तो इस डायरेक्शन में होगा या तो इस डायरेक्शन में परपेंडिकुलर ऑर्थोगोनल टू ईच अदर. सो ऑल द एक्स वाई एलिमेंट्स ज्वाइंट प्लेन में नहीं होंगे, ठीक है, एक्स वाई के 3D में नहीं होंगे. दैट विल हैव m2 a2 स्क्वायर बाई 12 m2 a2 square by 12. This is in along the x-axis, this is along the y-axis, this is along the z-axis. And in combined axis, suppose that this is the x-axis and this is the z-axis, okay. So this is the combined x-y axis. Suppose sorry, this is z and this is y, and this is yz axis, okay. So a link can move only in this direction and in this direction, but it cannot move along this direction because joints are not free to rotate such. joints ऐसे नहीं है कि वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में घूम सके. So there will no any possibility of inertia in that direction. जब कोई चीज घूमेगी तो नहीं तो inertia कैसे होगा उसका? What is the representation of inertia? Inertia is that if you are if you have rotated something, if you don't put a force, it will keep rotating in that direction. But if there is no rotation, rotation is not possible in that, then how is the meaning of inertia? तो यहाँ पे जो एलिमेंट हैं, these elements will be zero in joint planes. there will be no rotations. तो जो प्लेनर रोबोट है उसमें यहाँ एक एक्सिस है, दूसरी एक्सिस ये है. ओके, so you have the z axis, you have the z axis, you have the z axis here. Okay, so the link can move in this direction. Okay, x direction, and it has the inertia. Suppose link is taking some angle, horizontal angle, so in x direction there will be no inertia in the link in this direction, and for link 1 there will be no inertia in this direction. Okay, clear? So it is taking the diagonal elements equal to m2 square by 12 and 0 value in the same direction of link. So this has taken. So you calculate the d2. d2 किसने किसने calculate किया? Who has calculated the dq? d2 for the second link. Inertia tensor for the second link with respect to the base frame. Who has calculated till now? आप लोग ऐसे शांत हो जाते हो कि जैसे कुछ नहीं सुना ही नहीं कुछ हमसे, या कि मेरा माइक ऑफ हो गया है. हेलो, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
हेलो, एक मिनट. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही क्या? आवाज आ रही मेरी?
आ रहा है सर.
रिपीट तो नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं सर, नहीं.
अभी कुछ स्क्रीन में कुछ वीडियो वगैरह कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? कुछ दिख रहा क्या? मेरे वाले में पिन करो भला मेरे
यस सर,
उसमें
यस
नहीं।
सर, दिख रहा है सर, दिख रहा है सर, पेज दिख रहा है सर।
मैं बता रहा हूँ। सो यू हैव कैलकुलेटेड हियर द D2। सीधा दिख रहा है कि अभी अभी सीधा दिख रहा है कि नहीं? अभी सीधा दिख रहा है?
फोकस नहीं हो पा रहा सर बढ़िया से।
एक मिनट, अभी है ठीक है?
थोड़ा सा दूर रखिए, ऊपर रखिए सर, क्योंकि एकदम ब्लड। हाँ ठीक है सर।
अभी क्लियर है? तो M2A2 square by 12 and diagonal of 0 1 1, this is equation. So here you take D2 equal to R20 D2 bar R20 transpose. Okay, so now what you get here, previously you have determined the transformation, homogeneous transformation T20 as T20 was clear, दिख रहा है अभी? Is it clear now? 0 0 1 and this A1 A2 C12 A1 S1 plus A2 S12 0 0 0 1 and this is 1. Okay, ये मैट्रिक्स क्लियर दिख रहा है ना? So from here you calculate the R20 as R20 is C12 minus S12 0 0 S12 C12 0 0 0 1. Clear? This is R20. So D2 equal to R20 C12 minus S12 0 now you have D2 bar is 0 M2A2 square by 12 0 0 M2A2 square by 12, and then you have this transpose of this C12 minus S12 S12 0 and C12. Clear? दिख रहा है इतना?
यस सर।
So after simplification, what you do here, equal to, first you multiply this, first was 0. Okay, so here C12 minus S12, we are multiplying this second matrix and third matrix. Okay, so here simply you have S12 C12 0 0 1 and 0 into 0. This is first element is 0, second is 0, third is 0. Okay, now 0 into C12, 0 into C12 and M2A2 square by 12 into S12. Okay, so this will be equal to minus m2 a2 square s12 upon 12. Okay. Now second element will be m2 a2 square by 12 into c12. Okay. And third element will be 0. Last element, last row, this is 0 and 0, and last element is m2 a2 square by 12. Clear है? Is it clear? Students, this is the multiplication of second and third matrix. Any mistake in this, you if you notice, you can say me. Okay. Then after multiplication of this matrix into this matrix, you get the complete matrix as m2 a2 square s12 square. Okay. And second element minus m2 a2 square c12 s12 by 12. Third element 0. Now next element you come, this is minus m2 a2 square s12 c12 upon 12. Second element m2 a2 square c12 square by 12, and last element 0. Okay. Now here these all elements will be 0 and m2 a2 square upon 12. इतना ही आ रहा है इसका आंसर. Okay. So here it has taken the common value, and it has taken common value equal to, here this is divided by 12, it was left. So it is taking m2 a2 square by 12 common, and remaining item is s12 square minus c12 s12 0. Here s12 c12, and here c12 square by 12. So m2 a2 square by 12 to common ले लिया है, and this is 0. Here it has taken common this value, so this is 1. So exactly you get the same value here as this. Okay. यहाँ तक clear है? Is it clear?
Yes.
सभी स्टूडेंट्स बोलो यार, सभी क्लियर है कि नहीं है? Now you had the J2 equal to, J2 you had calculated previously, or you have just calculated this. अभी डायरेक्शन सही है क्या? देख लेना. A1 S1 minus A2 S12 upon 2. Okay. इस वाले सिस्टम से अगर कोई दिखने में दिक्कत होगी या क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा होगा तो बता देना भाई, फिर हम दूसरे तरीके से कुछ करेंगे. लेकिन ये सिस्टम थोड़ा सा फास्ट रिस्पांस है ना, इसमें टाइम बचत होती है और उतने टाइम में बहुत कुछ कवर किया जा सकता है। ओके, all of you can pin this screen. Presently I am showing in video. You can pin this screen so that it will be shown in full screen always. Okay, so here
सर
you
विजुअल
have,
नहीं हो,
yes,
नॉट विजुअल सर, नॉट विजुअल।
video is not visual.
ओनली सर J2 मैट्रिक्स इज शोन।
Okay, अभी
नो सर,
hmm?
नो सर।
Just can you see this time?
नो सर,
अभी मेरे उसमें आइकन में जाओ ना, वहां पे वीडियो चल रही होगी, उसको पिन कर दो, पिन टू स्क्रीन ऐसे कुछ करके।
इट इज विजुअल सर, नाउ इट इज विजुअल।
So you can see here you have J2, okay, and then you have A2 cube equal to minus A1 S1 minus A2 S12 upon 2 minus A2 S12 by 2, okay, A1 C1 plus A2 C12 by 2 and A2 C12 by 2, and this 0 0, this is A2, clear है, and B2 cube equal to 0 0 1 0 0 1. You see here that this is epsilon 1 R 0 0 I3, and this is epsilon 2 R10 I3. Okay, when you are considering J2 for J2, okay, this will not be equal to 0. When you are considering J1, this will be equal to 0. क्लियर है यहाँ पे? So you have taken the B2 from here and A2 from here. Now you calculate D, total D equal to D1 cube plus D2 cube. D2 cube, how you have calculated? This is M2 and B2 transpose D2 B2, ठीक है? क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर students? Now you put here the values. क्लियर दिख रहा ना जो मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ?
Yes.
And this is minus a1 s1 minus a2 s12 by 2. This is a2 s12 by 2. Okay, this is a1 c1 plus a2 c12 by 2, and this is a2 c12 by 2. This is 0. This is first element, plus second element is 0 0 1 0 0 1 transpose, and d2 and 0 0 this, and now you put the values of this. Then what you will get? You here m2 is common, and you multiply these elements, so you will get here m2 into this a1 s1 square a1 s1 minus a2 s12 by 2 the whole square. Okay, and plus this is minus a1 a2 s12 upon 2 into a1 c1 okay. You have to do the transpose of this. First you take the transpose of this. Okay, so you will get a1 s1 minus a2 s12 by 2 minus a2 s12 by 2, and this is a1 c1 plus a2 c12 by 2, and this is a2 c12 by 2 0 0. This is okay. So you see this transposed explanation, and then you put this m2 in common, and then multiply with the same matrix A. Okay, this is at and this is A. Then what you will get? When you calculate this value,
हेलो सर.
हेलो, कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
यस सर. सर लैब है स्टार्ट हो गई है.
लैब स्टार्ट हो गई है, तेज से बोलिए थोड़ा.
यस सर लैब है.
Okay, so I will be continuing in the next class. Till here you have calculated. Okay, or if you have this explanation in the copy page, clear, all the writings are clear, you can see clearly, then I will continue with this technique. to teach you. So I want feedback about this way. I am taking the attendance. Okay, just wait.